Can my municipality apply traffic calming to our local streets? Yes, local authorities are granted the power to implement traffic calming on their roadways, as long as the traffic calming devices are in conformance with PennDOT standards. Is traffic calming effective for reducing the speed of traffic on residential streets? Yes, traffic calming is most effective when the roadway design encourages slower driving at appropriate speeds, considering safety and the context of the roadway. Features like speed humps, cushions, and tables reshape the road to naturally reduce speeds. Studies show these measures can cut 85th percentile speeds by 5 to 13 miles per hour on urban residential streets. Do traffic calming measures impact emergency response vehicles? Emergency responders support traffic calming but need to stay swift. While features like speed humps and curb extensions help reduce crashes, they can slow fire trucks and ambulances. That's why it's crucial to involve emergency services in planning and use designs like truck aprons, flex posts, and removable bollards to keep streets safe and accessible. Is there a way to test traffic calming measures? Yes, some traffic calming measures can be tested temporarily, giving communities a chance to see their impact without a big upfront investment. As long as they follow PennDOT design standards, these pilot projects offer a smart, flexible way to explore safer streets. Can we put a speed bump on the roadway? No, speed bumps are not appropriate for roads open to public travel. Conversely, a properly designed and installed speed hump can be used.